Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day. Let's take a look at Microsoft. And the reason I want to look at Microsoft, no, not because the new version of Fortnite just came out, and I'm sure your kids are really excited about the new version of Fortnite, but because Microsoft is one of those stocks that I've been watching for a while, but it really hasn't given me a clean entry. But we may get one here soon. And as you can see here on the chart, Microsoft is continually putting in higher lows. When the stock comes down, finds support, stock comes down, finds support, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We pull back even more, that dip gets bought, and then we continue to just kind of grind around these moving averages here. The red line is the 50-day moving average, the green line is the 20-day moving average, and the orange line is the 8 exponential period moving average. And so as you can see, the stock's just kind of been grinding around here, and today we pushed up close to resistance and did it on a decent volume. So what I want to see here from Microsoft is a push above 142 on volume, and we could get a little bit of an earnings run. Earnings coming up here in just about a week or so. So that's one thing to look for. I hope this trade works out. Watch for a break above 142 on Microsoft tomorrow. If you want this and other charts delivered to your inbox, be sure and check out StockMarketMentor.com and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day.